Oh my God, you're Brad Lemack.
I am?
You're the writer of The New Business of Acting.
You mean this?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Wait a minute, you're doing the New Business of Acting seminar at StoryQuest Studios September 10th.
I'm very excited about this particular class in September because so much is still changing. So much is being reimagined. It's a great time for transition. It's a great time to kind of rethink how you do what you do in moving your career as an actor forward. And we've never done this. We really need to have a conversation about vaccines and COVID and what that means for an actor who has chosen either to get the vaccines or for the actor who has chosen not to get the vaccine. There are implications to manage through on both sides of that question. So it's very cutting edge to have this conversation. In September, we will do that. The other conversation we're going to have in the entire afternoon we're going to have together is we really need to unpack what's happening in terms of non-union work and what the proliferation of non-union work is doing to union actors or actors who thought you had to be the quote unquote union actor in order to move your career forward or to the next level. All of that is changing, and I'm seeing it every day in my office. There's a complete new landscape for actors who are in Albuquerque, around New Mexico, and around the country who do not live in New York and LA, which is now giving them the opportunity to pursue those jobs and to work in New York and LA without having to actually reside there. So it's a very exciting time. And actually, we try and go through every single chapter in the book, which is why I want all of the people who are going to take the class. The book comes with the class, right? So I think the last critical thing that I'm tossing into this very long answer is that we sort of thought that when COVID started to be in the rearview mirror, we would see less self-tape and more back in the casting office. And we're seeing the opposite of that, really. We're seeing more use of self-tape, even for callbacks and bookings. So the challenge to all actors, regardless of what level they are, to nail that process.
You have to play like you practice and practice like you play. So we got to practice on the highest level, right? And so that brings me to your December workshop. You're going to be flying back to Albuquerque for an action plan, a lights, camera, action plan workshop. Can you tell us about that and how that's different than your business of acting?
I'm really excited about the lights, camera, action plan workshop, which the world has to know. We piloted that workshop last December at StoryQuest Studios, and it's never been done anywhere else. And here we have this December end of the year offering in an afternoon where the sole focus is you creating your own personal individual action plan on setting the goals for things you want to achieve in 2023. And then we back into it by committing to the steps that you will need to take to achieve those goals. Everybody's going to come away with a notebook of forms that they will fill out and narrative that they will fill out when we're in the class together. So you can come in with lots of great ideas, but great ideas don't get you work. And so this workshop seminar is about putting it on paper, using it as a roadmap, and being guided every step of the way because it's a guide that you created for yourself. So I'm really excited about that. And I'm mostly excited about it because of all the success that has come out of the action lights camera action class from last December. Like all the students who took that class have been in touch with me to tell me, wow, you made me focus. now I really believe I can do this, and now I have a plan on how to get there. So it's a good balancing act to end the year on a high note and step into the new year with a great plan that you're passionate about and committed to and will see the success from.
Well, you are such a light at StoryQuest Studios, and you really exemplify this transformational story brand that we are constantly, striving for. And I just want to thank you on the behalf of everyone over here in Albuquerque for joining us and adding so much value to everything we do here. So thank you so much, Brett. And we will be seeing you September 10th. Hopefully you can attend Brad's workshop, even if you're here in Albuquerque or anywhere in the nation. You can join remotely. Don't hesitate. Reach out, storyqueststudios@gmail.com. We'll see you on the flip side.